Just gonna stand here a minute and listen to the birds and let you see some of the field. I'll play this till I get home. Sorry about the crunching rocks under my feet. Look at some pretty flowers. Those are the same ones I can't reach above them. I don't want to fall. Some more flowers here. Where's the other one? It's all the way up there. I'm just heading home towards the bus stop. I didn't record Avery's bus going by. Oh, here's some more of them. I don't know what kind of flowers they are. If anybody knows, please state in the comments. I'm gonna get a little closer again, so if anybody needs to get a better look. And there's those little flowers again. These must be little ones of them. On the property 3 years and I never noticed these flowers. That looks like a flower of some sort too. If anybody could identify them, please do. There's a little one there. Oh, an ant pile. It seems like this year they're getting bigger and bigger. Especially after you cut the grass. Oh, here's some more. Different ones, of course. I'll show the roses. I showed them in one of my recent videos. Nice, beautiful flowers. They're roses. Well, time to get home so I could excuse me for clearing my throat. Make sure Avery's big sister is up. That's Bill's brothers you hear barking. Good morning, babies, our little babies. There's those flowers again. I don't know what those are. And no more rocks here, so no more crunch crunch. You can hear the birds better. Not sure if I caught it on video. I saw them at the last second. Those birds or something going by. One is on a branch, but I want to get too close. I want to make sure it was a bird flying by. Excuse me for coughing. Not sure what was there. Another ant pile. My brother-in-law, who owns the property, says depending on the size of the colony, that determines how big the ant pile gets. Sorry, I'm showing you every little detail. And here's some more flowers. Gonna get up a little closer so you can see what they are too. Try and identify them. I've never seen so many flowers. I guess I'm just being really observant since I'm doing videos now. And that's where we just came from. And there's where we come in and out of the property on our walks and in my other sister's car. Geez, the dogs brought one of their bowls over here. Crazy dogs, they brought it over here empty. I'll have to get some water or something in it later. That's the one that belongs on the porch for their bread. Here's a bunch of the white flowers. Oh, here's some more flowers here I want to get in the video. I'm not sure what these are either. But if we have anybody that's flower savvy and knows what any of the flowers are in this video, please feel free to mention them in the comments. Oh, that metal thing, that's looks like another flower pot. That's not garbage. There's the seating area. There's another patch of those white flowers. There's the field. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Happy Friday and happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend as well. Bye.